Hi guys, I'm unboxing DO and BB-8 model kit. This is made by Kotobukiya. RFX is the brand. Kotobukiya is a toy company and mainly produces figures and model kits. They are licensed to produce Star Wars products. If you have seen lightsaber chopsticks, that's from Kotobukiya. I've seen many of them were sold on eBay. This product is just came out recently. It says model kit, but it's easy to build. Almost figure. I paid about $110. I think it's a little expensive because it doesn't move or speak or anything. But let's check out how it looks. Okay, this is the front. There's a logo of Kotobukiya. This is the back. Star Wars and Disney. The figure is made of PVC and ABS, and the base is made of ABS. There's instruction. There's English translation. It looks nice. We have to put them together. Let's take them out. This is a base. Made in China. The base is modeled after the floor of Millennium Falcon. BB-8. Okay, let's put them first. And you can choose which one you attach. This one or this one. Okay. It goes like this. And head. Yep. It's very simple. And next one is antenna. We have extra antenna and it can be opened. And like this, he can thumb up. Yep, very cool. It's It's very easy. Let's build DO. It's very loose. Maybe like this. Yep. He needs antennas too. This one. Like this. Yep. Is this correct? It's very simple. We have 2 extra antennas for DO. And okay. It's cool. He can move his head. It doesn't move at all. I like the detail. They're dusty and rusty. I've seen some of the radio control, but the figure is also great. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna introduce lots of products which are sold in Japan. You can get the information of new products fast. So please follow my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.